Happy holidays, everyone! As is tradition for my 23rd birthday, I have 23 Christmas gift ideas to show you for this holiday season. So let's get right into the list. To start, I have 10 gift categories with a solid balance of cost-effective and more premium devices that should be a good starting off point for your holiday shopping. So, let's first talk about smart homes. I have 3 gift ideas that are super economical to give to folks. First, the new Echo Pop, which is a little Amazon Alexa and speaker, so you can direct commands to the device and listen to things like music. It's a solid, non-expensive little device that you can buy for your friends. Second, a mini air purifier. I've seen many of these pop up in my university and a lot of people like them. Moreover, it can be paired with Alexa. So for people with pets or a lot of dust in their homes, this can be great for them to keep their air pure. And lastly, a smart surge protector. Being able to connect and be controlled by Alexa, a smart surge protector can be used to turn things on and off and also dim things using your phone, which is great if you're far away from the controls, so not bad. And that's a wrap for the smart homes category. Next we have tools. Thinking more about the essentials here, an electric screwdriver is definitely something many folks would appreciate, saving those wrists while also allowing you to tighten things in those tight spots. A powered screwdriver can be really helpful for those handy folks out there. And on top of that, one really good tool that many people would appreciate would be a solid drill. We all know what a drill is, but something like this can really make a handyman's Christmas. So definitely keep that one in mind for those hardworking folks. And our next category is still tools, but tech tools. Oh, here we go. This is my bread and butter. We're talking about computers, tablets, and accessories. I have 2 different types of this category. First, the Apple tech tools. We start with the just released 15-inch MacBook Air, a solid iteration of the Air MacBook with a great size, thin form factor, and fantastic performance with that M2 chip. Moreover, because it's so thin, it's amazingly portable, despite being 15 inches. And on top of that, you can also get the iPad 10, which is currently on sale. If you want a good tablet, iPads are really tough to beat. They're extremely well optimized with all of their tablet applications, and they have very good drawing capabilities. Tough to beat. And speaking of drawing, you'll definitely want to get the new USB-C Apple Pencil with that as well. After years, the Apple Pencil Generation 1 was finally updated with USB-C, which makes it far more compatible with Apple's current device connectivity. So, very solid. Now, on the flip side, we have the non-Apple tech tools, starting with the Dell XPS 13-inch, a premium Windows laptop that's supported by many university students for its speediness, reliability, and build. It's definitely a nice device that most people would be happy to receive. Additionally, a solid non-Apple tablet would be the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, which is a little more expensive than the base iPad, but it has a great screen, some really cool features, and its stylus comes with it in the box. So it's definitely got some cool features that you gotta weigh in against the Apple alternative. And for all of these devices, given that they're pretty not great in the storage department, we have some additional options. Namely, all of these glorious USB-C external SSDs with an additional micro SD for the Galaxy Tab. I personally am a big fan of external SSDs with many of my videos backed up on these. So if you're looking for a good gift for a videographer, photographer, or someone like that, external SSDs would be great. And how about some headphones for your friends, family, and or even yourself? In order of cost-effective audio devices to the more expensive ones, we have the Audio-Technica ATH8500X, which, gosh, that name, it's really well received by many audiophiles. And it's a great pair of wired headphones that you can use for practically anything. And then we have the standard Apple AirPods 3rd generation for even more practicality and daily use, which are cheaper than the Pros and don't have those rubber ear tips that I'm personally not a fan of. You can take these pretty much anywhere and they'll definitely survive a bit of a beating. And lastly, we have the Sony XM5s, which are great headphones that many people love. They're known for being extremely balanced and really solid, so long as you can afford them. Moving along with a sort of office tech theme, we have a couple setup accessories that you might like as well, being both a Corsair keyboard and mouse, which compare together nicely and are fairly economical for a solid mechanical keyboard and great mouse. So you can either get one or both for someone important to you. Moving to the bedroom though, we have a couple gifts that one might enjoy, especially in the colder months, namely a heated blanket that I'm actually surprised how many people want at my university, so that's something to consider. And then also a mini projector, which would be really nice for little movie nights here and there. It probably won't look picture perfect, but it will definitely be enough for those little spontaneous moments. And speaking of spontaneous, how about some pretty obscure winter survival gear, such as a well-insulated mug and even a heated one. I've been using insulated mugs for the past year, and my gosh, I wish I was put on these sooner. Having a heated beverage on hand for nearly 8 hours is a lifesaver in the cold. But since you'll be consuming from these devices, I would recommend getting one that's a bit more recognized, even if it's a little more expensive. You really don't want to mess with the cheap stuff, especially the heated mugs. Those can get a little dangerous, and you want one that's tried and tested. So yeah, it might be expensive, but it's safe. That's for sure. And lastly, we have a fun little extra gift that I thought, if you have the cash, you might enjoy. A 3D printer. It's nice, it's fun, and it's educational. The one that I'm showing here is a little bit more on the economical side, but you can always go up to your discretion. You can do a lot with it, and you can definitely express a little creativity with that as well. And that's how most of this list is. And I think that's how holiday shopping really should be. A little bit of fun, and a little bit of creativity. And that was my holiday gift guide of 23 Christmas gift items for this year. Again, I tried to have a good balance of cost-effective and premium devices, and also just ideas to bounce off of if those weren't exactly what you're looking for. So I hope this little video helped, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. My name is Seeroost. It's spelled like Cyrus, but not like Sea Rooster. Just take out the ter. Thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Peace.